Hi, it's Fitz with SLAPCHOP. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping your troubles away with the SLAPCHOP. Now look, here's a potato. One slap, you got big chunks for stews. Two slaps, home fries in a second. And look at this. When you add a mushroom, the more you do it, the finer it gets. You don't have to switch any blades. Now, you love salad, you hate making it. You know you hate making salads. That's why you don't have any salad in your diet. Watch this, one slap, salad. I love pizza too, but once in a while, get the veggies in. At least throw it on top of the pizza. You're gonna change your eating habits. Soup, coleslaw, stuff you want. 5 seconds. 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. This tuna, looks boring. Stop having a boring tuna. Stop having a boring life. Add this tuna, put it here like this. Now you're gonna have a nice tuna salad. Look at this. You're gonna have an exciting life now. Look, here's a hard-boiled egg. One chop, you add the pickle, you add the green onion. And what you can do, you can mix things together. You add the ham, and you're gonna love this. You don't have time to make breakfast. Breakfast to go. You're gonna love my nuts. Watch this. Almonds, walnuts, comes with a cover. So you can do everything in the cover, all right? Or you can do it on the board, whatever you'd like. So easy, one finger. If I can do it with one finger, you guys can do it with your whole hand. Kids can do it. You know what they charge at the ice cream stores? $1 for toppings at the ice cream stores. Add a couple cookies if you want. So you can make it for 10 cents. Stop throwing your money away. You know, not only nuts, what about fruit? Put a mango. Look at that, isn't that beautiful on your ice cream? The reason you're gonna slap away every day is because it's so easy to clean. 1, 2, and pops open like that, like a butterfly to clean. Now these other ones that you've seen in the stores, bacteria gets in the food, all the stores have this. You can't clean it, you can't open this up. It's worthless, forget about it. Now take the SLAPCHOP, put it back together, and you get the garlic. All right, here's the garlic with the skin. There you go, these skins the garlic. You're gonna eat more garlic. The onions with the skin, all right? This is making you cry, making me cry. All right, life's hard enough as it is. You don't wanna cry anymore. Put the SLAPCHOP right there, the skin's at the bottom. And look, so you want a little bit of onions, you don't want to drag out the food processor, the skin comes right off. You see that? All right, now put a tomato in there, add your cilantro, your hot peppers right there. You hit it like this. Guys, we're gonna make America skinny again, one slap at a time.
It's very quick. It's a time saver for recipes.
Just take it apart, washes, put it in the drawer, good to go.
It's easy, you just got one hand and chop.
Now here's the deal, when you buy the SLAPCHOP, we're gonna give you the grady for cheese. White cheese, yellow cheese, in the container. Comes with a twister. And watch this, tacos, fettuccine, linguine, martini, bikini. Look at that, comes with 2 blades, just bang it. The cheese comes right out, fine and coarse. Parmesan, comes with a cover, stays sealed. Put it in the fridge, take it out when you need it, pass it around a table, you're gonna love this thing. The SLAPCHOP sells for $29.95, but if you call now, within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day, you're gonna get the grady absolutely free. So that's 2 for $29.95. The SLAPCHOP with the grady. Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-574-8366. Call now and you'll get the grady absolutely free with the SLAPCHOP. When you call, also ask about our foldable cutting board. That's 1-800-574-8366. 1-800-574-8366. Call now.